How's it going, everyone? Jeremy from yourgmctruckstore.com. Today we're taking a look at our 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. It's equipped with an Onyx Black Exterior Paint finish, and we brought this into our inventory to offer customers a great option on Denali vehicles. If you're looking to get into a Denali but don't want to pay the price of a brand new one, this is definitely a great option to come in and take a look at. You get the trailer ring tow package, rear view camera, spray and Boxliner. This is a 6.2 liter V8 engine, so power is not an issue in this truck. Let's take a closer look inside. Just give me a look at the driver's side door panel. You get your memory seating and your easy exit, your power windows, your power locks, and power mirrors. Pretty standard in the GM lineup. Cup holders and storage. You do get the Bose Premium Sound System, power adjustable driver's seat, 5-passenger seating. You do get the Denali leather interior in this truck, power glass sunroof, and to the left here, you get your trailer brake control, your 4x4 settings, and your light settings. Let's jump on inside. There are the current kilometers on this Denali. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you do get your cruise control settings along with a heated steering wheel. To the right, you get your menu control settings, your voice command settings, and Bluetooth settings. You can put this truck into a manual mode. In the center here, you get a nice LCD touchscreen powered by GMC Intellilink. You get the navigation and the rear view camera like I mentioned earlier. Below that are the controls for your media player. Right under there, you do get your climate control settings. And below that are some extra options like your power adjustable pedals, traction control, parking assist sensors. And right there are tons of power outlets. You also do get heated and cooled front seats in this truck. Let's go jump into the back. Just give me a look at the back row. You do get 3 passengers in the back. The center seat does have a center console that will flip down for your 2 guests on the outside seats. If you do need some more storage, these seats will flip up as well. Just going to give you a quick scan from the back seat. If you have any questions about this Denali, feel free to come in and talk to one of our product experts. He'll be more than happy to help you out. My name is Jeremy. I work for yourgmctruckstore.com. Have a great day.